Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a simple natural black soap. This is going to help brighten your skin, exfoliate your skin, and give you a glow. It is simple and easy to make. So here we have our Ghana black soap. I already added rice flour to it before I started making this video. So here I have a teaspoon of rice flour, and to it I'm adding my pimple ball soap. So I added 3 pimple ball soap, a teaspoon of rice flour, 3 pimple ball soap. Okay, so next I'm adding in a teaspoon of kojic acid. So this kojic acid is going to help with hyperpigmentation. It's going to help to brighten out the skin and give it an even skin tone. Next I'm adding my licorice powder. So the licorice powder, I added a tablespoon of the licorice powder. Next, I'm going in with my turmeric. I always love turmeric in my product because, yeah, why not? Turmeric is very good when it comes to skin. So I added a full tablespoon of turmeric in here. So you just want to match. As you can see, I'm not the one doing this video. That's because I don't have powerful black soap, guys. This is stressful. So after mixing it, you just want to blend everything, like incorporate everything together. You can use the fire method, you can use whatever method you want to do, because this could be really stressful. So whatever method you want to use, you can go for it. So after mixing it in, next thing I'm going to go in with my glycerin and also my preservative. So for preservative, I used Gemma Plus preservative, and I added a tablespoon of honey for hydration as well. And then my sister said she wants it liquidy. She doesn't want it thick. So I added a little bit of rose water, but she still was like, no, she doesn't want it like thick and all, because she wants something that she can pour in. So like, okay, we're going to do that. And what we just added was coconut oil. So you can add a tablespoon of coconut oil, and this is cocomide. So cocomide is what's going to make it foam very well. It's a foam booster, and it's going to help it foam very well. So we added water to it. She went to add boiled hot water to it. You can see it here, because normally you add it. This is distilled water. You boil it and then you have to soak it to the next day. This was how it looked, and she still wanted it more liquidy, but this was how it looked. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.